Hi, friends! Today, we're learning English in my organic garden. If you like it, please subscribe and turn on the bell. The soil is dry. The soil is dry. The soil is dry. The soil is dry. I am mixing the soil. I am mixing the soil. I am digging the ground. I am digging the ground. I am making small holes. I am making small holes. I am taking seeds. I am taking seeds. These are cucumber seeds. These are cucumber seeds. I am putting the seeds in the soil. I am putting the seeds in the soil. I am pressing the soil gently. I am pressing the soil gently. I am carrying water for the plants. I am carrying water for the plants. I am watering the soil. I am watering the soil. The water is soaking in. The water is soaking in. I am planting young seedlings. I am planting young seedlings. I see small plants. I see small plants. The plants are growing. The plants are growing. The plants are getting bigger. The plants are getting bigger. I am tying the plants. I am tying the plants. I am removing weeds. I am removing weeds. I am pulling out old leaves. I am pulling out old leaves. The plants look healthy. The plants look healthy. I am adding fertilizer. I am adding fertilizer. I am chasing the birds away. I am chasing the birds away. I see flowers on the plants. I see flowers on the plants. I see small cucumbers. I see small cucumbers. The cucumbers are green. The cucumbers are green. The onions are growing too. The onions are growing too. I water the plants daily. I water the plants daily. The onions are growing under the soil. The onions are growing under the soil. I am picking the cucumbers. I am picking the cucumbers. I am harvesting herbs. I am harvesting herbs. I am pulling out the onions. I am pulling out the onions. The onions are big. Wow! The onions are big. I am picking ripe tomatoes. I am picking ripe tomatoes. I am collecting all vegetables. I am collecting all vegetables. The basket is full. The basket is full. I am carrying the basket. I am carrying the basket.